radio display. We are Horizon with many friends right here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up for these people. They have been working hard all week for you guys. Oh yeah, this is the talent from the '94 Miami Auto Show. You know, those songs were a tribute to the inventors of rock and roll.
That's right, and those were some great songs too. Boy, everybody really jammed. But speaking of rock and roll, did you guys see this brand new '94 Camaro? Man, this is sharp.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wait a minute.
We gotta do this.
Wait a minute.
This is our home.
You know, this Camaro was built as a convertible first, and this tight-fitting top gives it a quiet ride. That means you only have to...
We know you're gonna do it. All right, let's introduce the group to you real fast. First of all, here's our fearless leader, Mr. Rick Ingram. Let's give him a hand, everybody. Rick Ingram. And my name is Larry Johnson. Hello, everybody. Thank you. This guy who looks like my brother. He is your brother. He is my brother. This is Jay Johnson. Give it up for him, y'all. He's our choreographer. Last but not least, how about it for Earl the Rock Vincent? How about it for Earl Vincent, ladies and gentlemen? Thanks, Steve. Hey, y'all gotta check out Steve's show. He's fabulous. You gotta check him out. We're gonna do one more song for you. This is a tribute from the movie Purple Rain starring Prince. This is a tribute to Morris Day and the Time. Here we go. If y'all got glasses out there, I want to see y'all put them sunglasses on, okay?
When it's the right time.
When the time comes, throw your sunglasses on.
All right, everybody. This is for all the cool people.
Serious.
Calling Mr. Morrissey Day to the stage, please.
All right, Miami. We're going to teach y'all a new dance, but first I need all y'all to put y'all hands in the air like this.
Like this. Come on. Don't
That's
be
right.
shy.
Everybody like this.
Come on, y'all. In the back. Come on.
Come on, Rich.
All right. Now I want everybody to do this. Yeah, they ready. Miami, y'all better do this one.
Clap your hands like this,
What
y'all.
time is it, Miami? Everybody get those hands together now. Everybody. Come on. Everybody. And
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
have you heard? A brand new thing is called the bird. Don't need no finesse, no personality. Just need 2 arms and an attitude. Everybody sing with me. Come on now. Hallelujah. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on now. Hallelujah. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Keep it to the people, y'all. Come on.
Yes. Don't be cool like me.
Talk to me now.
But then like sometimes when you act the fool.
Little sisters, yeah.
Don't be shy.
Come on now.
Let your body get loose. You ain't too stiff to fly. Come on, y'all.
Hey.
Hallelujah. Everybody say, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Just clap your hands. Come on.
Everybody say, hallelujah.
Yes, y'all. Yes.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, Earl,
Yeah, Rich.
bring me my mirror. I think one of my waves might have come out of place up here.
We can't have it up on stage, brother.
Man, I messed up my hair.
Oh, no, man. You looking good.
Oh, you know that's right. Y'all check out me and my fellas throw down. Here we go. Little rock. Come on, do this. Outside.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
gentlemen, we are Horizon with the heartbeat of America. Today's Chevrolet. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big Chevrolet round of applause for Rick, Larry,